A lot of operations involved with building a grain dryer. One of the first operations is fabrication. And that happens to be the department in which we're standing in right now. Fabrication is important here because we need to manipulate the steel that's used to build our grain dryers, and that's one of the first operations that we're discussing right now. In the back corner, we have an overhead door, which we receive all our steel through our steel bay. We have a bunch of different steel that we work with: aluminum, mild steel, galvanized steel, stainless steel, and a bunch of different thicknesses too. Anywhere as thin as 20 gauge and as thick as ½ inch. Now, the different machines that we have in our fabrication department, which helps us manipulate the steel, ranges as well. We have punch presses for putting in holes and slots into the steel. We've got saws and shears for cutting the steel. We also got rollers and brake presses here that you can see right behind me. These are used for bending and forming the steel. But perhaps one of our most important pieces of equipment here in our fabrication is our laser. Our laser cuts the steel much like our saw, but it's able to do intricate kinds of cuts as well. So whatever our engineering department comes up with, the laser can come around and cut it to those exact specifications. The other benefit of this laser is it's fully automated, meaning that it can be run without us being here present. It's able to because it's fully automated, and the fact that it can be loaded and unloaded without us being here. It's so important to our operations here that we're actually investing into a second laser, which will be here this fall. And so we're excited about that, and that laser as well will be fully automated.